Bonjour tout le monde, welcome back to our journey to make the best video. I hope you guys are doing okay. So last week I shared to you 5 easy transitions that you can make using any camera, and now I will show to you how to edit those videos using any basic editing program. This tutorial is for beginners like me, so I did the simplest edit as possible so any beginners can do this. So let's start with the classic hand transition. We just need to find the frame where she completely covered the lens of the camera. Right here is good. And then you go to the next clip. So here she didn't really cover the whole lens, but that's okay. As long as you capture the gesture that she is blocking the lens, that should be okay. Now it will look like this. Then let's move on to the pillar transition. Again, let's cut the clip where the pillar is completely covering the frame. Then let's move to the next clip. Start with the frame where the lens is completely covered. Should be okay. Let's see. It looks good, but for me it's not very smooth because the colors of the wall and pillar are not the same. So what I'm gonna do is to show the wall clip less and start where she is partly showing in the frame. This should be okay, and for me it's better. So let's do the same transition. Again, we cut where the lens is completely blocked. Then go to the next clip. Here we are using a tree to block the lens. So we cut it here. And so let's check it if it's smooth. And that's okay for me. Next, in body transition, again we cut where the lens is completely blocked. Move to the next clip and try to start with the same frame. Here should be okay, it completely blocked the lens. Okay, let's check. Next, underground transition. So here I'm gonna cut where the movement will match the next clip. Right about here. Okay, let's see the next clip. Here's the moving part. Let's see. It's good, but it's not smooth at all because the colors doesn't match. What we're gonna do is to put some masking. So I'm gonna cut this part where these lines start to show up. Click before blade and put on top of the next clip. And then I'm gonna click the installed effects. I'm gonna write here mask, and I will drag the mask effect to the clip, and I will go to the video inspector, go to draw mask, hold control and click, then add keyframes. Then we go to the clip, click here to zoom out the clip so we can put the control points better. Then just follow the straight line here. And then I will close the points and click the invert mask. Now you can see the next clip here. We will move up the control points frame by frame to reveal the next clip. So let's move a little bit like this. Then click right arrow key to move the next frame. Again, move the control points. Click right arrow key again. Then repeat the same process until the first clip is gone. Now let's check it. Now it's better. Next, whip transition. So here we're gonna cut until the camera stop moving. Here should be okay. Then let's move to the next clip. Here I'm just gonna cut the first frame where she showed up. So here's okay. Let's check. Okay, it's not really smooth, so I'm gonna cut this clip here. And double the speed. Let's see. Now it's better. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. Click the like button if you like this video. Subscribe if you want to join me in this journey. And I will see you in the next video. Peace. So last week, I hope you guys are doing okay. That you can make using any basic. I shared to you 5 easy transition. So if you like this video, click the like. Last week I shared to you how to make